Hello, everyone. Welcome to Nisreen's Nuggets at Noon. I believe it is the 13th episode. Well, you know that we have been over the last few episodes talking about Reiki, and I will continue that for today and just briefly touch upon the benefits of Reiki in our everyday lives. But before I do that, I've had a few people ask me that they listen to it, but they don't know who exactly I am and what I do. So here it is, a little bit about me. My name, of course, is Nisreen Mama Foda. Mama is my maiden name, Foda is my married name. And I am a Reiki master teacher as well as a hypnotist trained in SP advanced hypnosis as well as past life regression. And also, I am a meditation facilitator. I do not call myself meditation teacher because everyone meditates in some way or the other. We don't always realize it, but I call it as being a facilitator because I run guided meditations. So you listen to me speak and guide you through a meditation. So it kind of helps in moving the chatter away. I hold meditations once a month. The rest of the time, I expect you to do it on your own. It is on Zoom. And usually, if you follow my Facebook page, and I put out the events over there, and you should be able to find when the next meditation would be. I haven't yet scheduled my November one yet. Um, and yes, coming back to, okay, oh yeah, the Facebook link I will put in below so you can have access to it. Um, Coming back to Reiki and the actual topic today, that is the benefits of Reiki and what it benefits in our everyday life. How does it benefit us? So I will just run off a few pointers. One is it strengthens our immune system. It promotes deep relaxation. A lot of the times when people come to me and they're on my table, I'm giving them Reiki, they just feel so relaxed and they just some people just doze off. Yes, it also relieves stress and anxiety. It promotes pain relief. It eases muscle tension. It gives a peace of mind and body both. Increases rate of recovery from injury. Yes, if you are injured, you best go to the doctor, get yourself fixed. And then, based on what the doctor is saying, you can still go to a Reiki practitioner who will give you Reiki that will just help in the healing process that you are already following. Um, and we all know that it balances energies in your whole body. So while balancing the energies in your whole body, you're removing obstructions and giving the body back the ability to heal itself. So these are just a few of them that I have listed. And as you work with Reiki, you realize there's so many more little ones that come up that you don't even realize. Things that you are attached to negatively disappears. And when that disappears, you eventually get peace of mind, right? And that affects your stress and everything. All these benefits that I spoke about, they're all interrelated, and everything boils down to being stressed over something. And when that stress is removed, you are in a better place and you're able to help yourself better. Why not give yourself that ability, right? So yeah, you can go to a Reiki practitioner and get them to help you. Great. That is a first step, yes. But also consider being able to do that for yourself, learning it and doing it for yourself and your family members. Wouldn't that be great? Well, I will end today by just letting you know what my passion is. My passion is actually to see a Reiki practitioner in every household so that they can help their own family members all the time, because you can't be running to a practitioner every second day. We do a lot of things to kind of bring on negative energies or blockages within us. So if you were had the tool, you would be able to clear it automatically all by yourself. Take out 10 minutes and do it, right? So why not give yourself that gift? And if you want to know more about how to do that, send me a message, email me, visit my website, whatever method you want, connect to another Reiki master teacher, talk to them, find out how. All right. Until next week, then. Goodbye and take care.